What are algebraic expressions? In the first chapter of this course, more specifically, in tutorial 1.4, we explained the meaning of arithmetic expressions, which consists of several numbers combined through a series of basic operations, including raising in a power, that eventually, after making all the necessary operations, result in a single numerical value. For example, we have the following shown on screen. We have an arithmetic expression as when using the PEMDAS, or BEDMAS, rule to make the operations, we obtain the following shown on screen. i.e. a single number that is equivalent to the value of the original expression. On the other hand, there are other types of expressions that contain not only numbers but they also include certain letters. Obviously, such letters are used to replace numbers that may be known or not. Such expressions are known as algebraic expressions. By definition, algebraic expressions are those expressions in which numbers are expressed using letters or alphabets without specifying their actual values. In scientific terminology, the letters that are used to substitute numbers are known as variables, as their value may vary depending on the conditions presented in the exercise. Algebraic expressions are different from equations, which we explain in more specific detail in Chapter 9. As unlike in equations, in algebraic expressions all terms are written on the same side without any equal symbol in between. Obviously, if the expression contains at least one letter, variable, it is classified as algebraic, not arithmetic. For example, we have the following shown on screen. These are all algebraic expressions, as they contain at least one letter alongside numbers. Remark: you will often see a letter written directly after a number, or two letters one after another without any operation symbol in between. In such cases, we will assume the corresponding operation as multiplication. For example, 3ab is equivalent to 3ab, 3 times a times b, minus 4mn is equivalent to minus 4mn, minus 4 times m times n, etc. This occurs only in multiplication. Other operations need to have their corresponding symbol clearly written in the expression. That is all for lesson 6.1.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.1.2, Calculating the Value of an Algebraic Expression. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.